In the new era of gameplay, critics trade nostalgia for data-driven insights gathered from live player sessions. They track accessibility, performance, and immersion with real-time feedback, offering a holistic view beyond scores across diverse hardware setups. A standout practice is mapping narrative impact using branching choices, environmental cues, and emotional resonance from diverse players. Publishers invite communities to co-create patches, reframing criticism as ongoing collaboration rather than final verdicts. The result is trusted, transparent reviews that adapt with games, consoles, and players long after release for readers worldwide.